Shopify is changing itself really fast and it's adding new features like crazy. Same thing is happening with Claude AI. And today I found a connector of Claude where you can collect your Shopify store data and chat with your Shopify store data in like few clicks previously, which you need to do with the terminal and all of that technicality. You will need to create an app, all that kind of stuff. You were supposed to create a custom app in Shopify, then connected with Claude. It was super technical and it was messy, right? It was not for the non-technical. But today what I found out is it's just one click away. You just go to Claude Code and connect it with your Shopify store and you can chat with your data. It's awesome, and I'm going to show you guys how you can do that in this video. Previously, I created some videos related to Claude Code theme development. So that's the video for Shopify AI Toolkit. So that is for theme developers who want to build sections and who want to automate SEO. That's for that video. And other video which I created for MCP server. So if you're building a theme, you can check out this video. Again, these videos are for technical users, but today's video is for completely non-technical merchants who are business owners and they don't want to open terminal. They don't want to do coding, stuff like that, right? And now you can connect Claude with your Shopify store in a very easy way. Now let me show you. So that is my development store, right? And I'm going to open up my Claude app. So that's my Claude app. And if you see your Claude app, it's going to look like this, right? And here you will have the option of going to settings. So just go to settings, and in settings, click on connectors. And from connectors, click on browse connectors. And here simply search for Shopify. So you can see that it says new. It's very trending because it's super simple to connect. I'm simply going to click on this plus sign here. And now you can see that it's asking me to authorize my store. Now I'm going to search this store because I have multiple store. So I'm going to search this store here, and that's my store. And I'm going to click here. By the way, if you are not a partner in Shopify, you will not see this screen. You will be directly on your Shopify backend and authorizing that. Now, if I click on this here, you can see it's asking to authorize. It will have customers data, products data, orders data, discounts data. So all of this data will be available in Claude Code, and you'll be able to chat with your data, ask Claude Code to create reports, and brainstorm with Claude Code about how to improve ROI, how to improve conversion rate, how can you improve SEO. You can do a lot of stuff, right? So if I click on install, and now it's asking me to open Claude. I'm going to click on open Claude. And now you can see that my Shopify is connected. Now, before I start the chat with Claude, I would like to let you guys know that if you are a Shopify merchant and you don't like coding and you want to improve layout of your Shopify store, I have created 30 plus free sections, added it as an open source GitHub repository. That is the GitHub repository where you will find free sections related to 3D image gallery, product collection slider, pricing plan if you want to add pricing tables, if you want to add animated banner, if you want to add circle menu, and each section have a dedicated video created. So you will see the preview of that section as well. And it's super simple to set up. So do try it out, or let me know in the comments below if you want the link of this GitHub in the comment section. I'll personally give it to you. Okay, now let's head back to the Claude where we're going to chat with the data of our store. So let's go to the Claude and create a new chat. And I'm going to say, let's see if it's connected first. Yep, it is connected. You can see that it's showing that Shopify is connected. Please list all of the products of my store. I'm simply going to start with listing all of the products of my store to see how it responds. And there you go. You can see that it is showing all of the products in my store. Okay, several shirts have 0 inventory. Do you see any orders? I'm going to see if I have any orders in my development store. So let's go to the back end to see if I have any orders. It's working, and now it's asking me to allow the request. I'm gonna click on always allow. And now if I go to orders, I just have one order. So let's see if it shows that up. No orders found because it is not paid. It was a dummy order. That's why it's not showing. So it's completely fine that it's showing. Let's check out the customers. So if I go to customers, I have these 2 customers, which are also the dummy customers. Do I have any email with them? Okay, I do have email. Now let's ask about the customers. Please list customers. I just want to make sure that if it's working or not. Okay, click on always allow. And here you go. You can see that it has listed these 2 customers which I had in my development store. And now you can imagine how easy it is to connect Claude with the Shopify and chat with your data and brainstorm with it. And looks like AI is killing a lot of CRO specialists, conversion rate optimization specialists. Not sure what's going to happen, but it is what it is. That's it for this video. Until next video, have a great day.